Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change the language in Poppo live. So if your app is in a different language or you just want to switch it, this guide will help you do it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Poppo Live. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, because sometimes the settings may not appear correctly in older versions. Once the app is updated, open the Poppo Live app. Now, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the profile icon. After that, tap on the settings option located in the top right corner. Inside the settings menu, scroll down a little and you will find the language option. Tap on it. Now you will see a list of available languages. Simply select the language you want. For example, if you want to use the app in English, select English. After selecting your preferred language, tap on OK or Confirm. That's it! Your Poppo Live app language will now be changed successfully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.